Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and track your reading progress in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the books and articles that are recommended to us. We can start taking a look at the posts by other people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to track your reading progress. So tracking your reading progress in Deepstash is designed around micro-learning, allowing you to monitor insights, summaries, and books you are reading. So the app automatically tracks your activity and organizes it within your personal library. Here at the top of the screen, as you can see, you have the continue reading option, from where you can go and take a look at where you left off if you didn't finish one of the articles and so on. It's going to show you to continue reading for that day. So once you go ahead and catch a reading streak or whatever else, you're going to go and be able to find it right here in the library section at the bottom of the screen. In the middle of the page, you can click on library, and in the bottom right corner you can also click on your profile icon. This is going to enable you to take a look at your achievements and track your progress, such as your reading progress, how many articles you have read, and so on. All of that is going to be available right here on your profile and in the library section, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.